Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of iPhone users: how to turn off low data mode on your iPhone in 2025. If you've noticed your device is slowing down your data usage, restricting background apps, or just not loading videos as smoothly as you'd like, low data mode might be the culprit. It's a handy feature for saving data when you're on a limited plan, but sometimes you need to switch it off for full-speed access. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in under 2 minutes. First things first, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you're on the home screen. Start by opening the Settings app. It's that gear icon you probably see all the time. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Cellular or Mobile Data. Depending on your region and iOS version, it might be listed as one or the other, but it's usually towards the top. Tap on that, and you'll see a bunch of options related to your cellular data. Look for the Low Data Mode toggle. It's probably switched on if you're experiencing issues. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. You'll get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure, especially if you're on a metered connection, so just hit Turn Off to confirm. And just like that, you're done. Your iPhone should now be out of low data mode, giving you unrestricted data access. This is super useful if you're at home on Wi-Fi or have an unlimited plan. Pro tip: if you can't find this option, make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version, as Apple might tweak settings in 2025 updates. Also, keep an eye on your data usage in the same menu to avoid surprises on your bill. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one.